Would Huzoor like to give us blessed guidance on how to maintain the bond of marriage, especially for newly married couple?
Acha, mashallah. So, your physique shows your wife cooks very good food. Huh? So, whenever she gives you good food, then you should praise her, right?
Yes, Huzoor.
Always think that you have to set example before her, and always think that if the relation between husband and wife are not good, then your children will also suffer. And in this way, you will be destroying the future of the new Ahmadi generation. Right? So,
Ji Huzoor.
the
Yes.
best way is that the man or the husband should set his good examples in the house and always be polite and kind to your wife and children. Right? And then if you behave like this, then there will not be any trouble in your house.